All right, guys, we need to talk about this. A major industry group just sounded the alarm on Canada's housing market, and what they're saying is pretty serious. Hi, my name is Deloshan, and welcome back to another episode of Real Estate Watch. So here's the deal. According to Building Industry and Land Development Association, commonly known as BUILD, new home sales have completely collapsed. And when sales dry up like this, it doesn't lead to affordability. It actually means fewer homes get built. And fast forward to 2027, and they're warning that we could be in one of the worst housing shortages we've ever seen. Think about this. The federal government promised 500,000 new homes per year. But at the current pace, we'll be lucky if we can reach 200,000. So that's not a slowdown. That's a crisis in the making. And just in August, across the GTA, only 300 new homes sold. Normally, we would see 5 times that. And builders are pulling back, projects are getting shelved, and trades are losing work. Already, over 25,000 construction jobs are gone this year. And if nothing changes, and this trend continues, that number could double by the end of the year. And here's the kicker. Ontario didn't even hit its own housing target last year. The province counted basement units, dorm rooms, even long-term care beds, just to pad the numbers, and still fell short. So if you strip that out, we didn't even reach 60% of the goal. So what happens next? Well, if builders keep walking away, supply vanishes. Immigration keeps climbing, families still need homes. But when 2027 comes around, there won't be enough to go around. So what happens with prices? Pressure goes right back up, and renters get squeezed as well. Now, BUILD isn't just saying this to scare people. They're pushing governments to cut the mountain of fees, taxes, and development charges that make new construction almost impossible. And did you know that in the GTA, nearly 1/3 of new homes' price is government fees before a single brick is laid? That's pretty insane. So this isn't just a Toronto condo issue. This is happening all across the country. So if nothing changes, we're heading toward a housing crunch that hits buyers, renters, workers, and the entire economy. So the real question is, will government proactively step in and cut costs to get projects moving again? Or are they going to wait and be reactive when the crisis hits? So if you found this helpful, hit subscribe, drop a like, and let me know in the comments what you think governments should be doing right now. Because waiting until 2027 is a little too late. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.